It's Friday afternoon. I'm lying to you. It's not even afternoon. It's 10 in the morning. It feels like afternoon. I got up at 2 o'clock this morning. I couldn't sleep and I couldn't fall back to sleep. And so it's been a long day so far. But we had to take Mittens, which is one of our cats, to the vet. She has not been doing good. She hasn't been eating, and we've been, trying everything to feed her, even with a syringe. And so they are going to insert a feeding tube today. So we had her dropped off at 8. It was like 8:20 this morning, but the guys are out working and I have been working, and I had some packaging and shipping and stuff like that to do, but I did want to film a couple videos and thought I would start the weekend vlog now because why not. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some stuff done and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Hi guys! I was gonna say it's Friday. It's Saturday. It is 3:30. I am very late vlogging today. Got up really early and then I took a nap. But we are going to Burbage's. I say it's a meat market. I think it's essentially like a butcher shop. But we need to get some meat. And then Tyler and Bay are going to do a job. Looks like it's gonna rain though, so we don't know how productive that will be. What is that man doing? People you see are so crazy sometimes. Anywho, so we're going to Burbage's to get some meat. They're gonna go do their job, and then we're going to the store later to like get regular groceries. And I have some major cleaning of the house to do. And I have some, oh my goodness, there's a little dog in the road. Whose dog is that? Must be theirs, their turn. Oh, it looks bad. That dog looks bad. Aww. That's the first time that we have ever seen an animal on the side of the road, he's turning around, that we haven't stopped for. Every single time we've ever seen an animal on the side of the road, we stop, pick up the animal, and make sure we find its owner. So far we have always been successful. Yeah, those people are gonna get the dog. It might be theirs. That poor dog looks bad. That looks like a pitiful little dog.
Nuh-uh. Is that y'all's? Is that y'all's dog? Is that y'all's dog?
So Tyler is going back. Poor dog, oh my goodness. Yeah, so let me go find out about this dog. I'll be back. Fake smile. So nobody found the dog. He ended up taking off running, but the other people that stopped were, the lady was a lieutenant, so she ended up calling animal control so they can find him because he looked pretty rough, like bad. Not like he had been hit, but just like, yeah, like really dirty and mangy and pitiful. So, yeah, we're going to Burbage's, and then I have stuff to do because I napped today and I'm super late getting started. Bye! It is 8:30. Nothing got accomplished today. I did clean up a little bit. Cleaned out the refrigerator, and I made some body butters for one of the orders. But anyways, we're about to go to the grocery store. And Tyler is very irritable about going to the grocery store. He hates the grocery store. We had an unsuccessful Target trip and had to go to Walmart, which was horrible. Thank God we're leaving. This is like the worst weekend vlog of weekend vlogs. I keep forgetting to record. But our church is doing fireworks tonight, which is the 3rd instead of the 4th, because a lot of people usually have plans on the 4th. So yeah, there's a church thing tonight. And so we are about to get ready for that and go, because it's already like 5:30. And this is the first time I vlogged. Also, I got up pretty early, but then I fell right back asleep and ended up sleeping until like 2 o'clock. Well, I got up and then I took a nap, so. But yeah, I'm about to fix this mess of hair and, yikes. I'm about to fix my hair and get ready for the fireworks. Yep, that's the plan. Fireworks.
I'm not entertained.
It is 7:30. We are going to the fireworks. Bailey is sunburnt and not happy. But anyway, we're all going to cram into the car and go see the fireworks. And I did bring my other video camera.
Try and stay towards the middle so you don't bump your brother's arm.
So, anyway, we're going to the fireworks.
Start wearing sunscreen.
I'm definitely hysterical. I'm like, I'm video, and you're like, oh man, talk.
Hello. Oh wait. Thinking. Here. Easy now. At least they get lined up if you go down.
These are my church friends.
I'm here too. Hi.
Got done with the fireworks at... What time was the fireworks over?
9:45.
Yeah.
At like 9:45. And then we had to run to Piggly Wiggly. And we got there like 5 minutes before they closed. But at least I got my hamburger buns because I'm cooking out tomorrow and I really didn't want to have to go to the store tomorrow. So, anywho, I'm going to eat my ice cream, go through the paper and cut coupons. And I think that's about all for now. Yeah, for now. Happy 4th. It is 4:30 in the afternoon. I am just now getting started cooking on the grill. It's been a pretty good day. We did get some stuff done, but I'm going to start cooking and it's going to be dinner time soon. Hey guys, it's like 8:30. I have to say, I took another nap. I honestly think that maybe my my medicine, my anxiety medicine, is what's causing me to be like super sleepy, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm not really getting the right sleep at night, and then during the day I'm just super sleepy, so I end up taking a nap. But everybody's shooting fireworks now. We're not personally, but like the neighbors and everybody are. You can hear them. Our dogs are not happy. They are all in the house, safe though. But we were probably going to sit outside. My kids wanted s'mores. It's not winter time, so we're gonna figure that out. But so yeah, so we're probably gonna go watch the fireworks from the neighbors. And also, like 2 or 3 hours ago, we live in a good neighborhood, and it's a quiet neighborhood, and there's, you know, not a lot of crime or anything like that. So 2 hours ago, apparently there was a speeding car like flying back and forth on one of the streets, which is like 2 or 3 streets down, like, I don't know, less than maybe a mile away. And so the guy ended up flying in the backyard, parked the car, went in the house, and then started shooting at the police officers when they arrived, which was crazy. One officer was hit, but his vest saved him, thank God. But I do believe that they said that the officers ended up having to, of course they retaliated with fire, and that he was gunned down. But we don't really know any more details, except for it's right literally down the street. And everybody's commenting saying, you know, that kind of stuff doesn't happen here, but that's just proof that things can happen anywhere. It doesn't matter where. So, but yeah, so I am going to get some stuff together, and I'm probably gonna go hang out outside. I'm still sleepy. It's ridiculous. Anyways, I will check in with y'all in a bit. It's 11:30. I am about to call it a night. It has been a long few days, but I'm gonna go wash my face, wash up, take a shower, all that good stuff, and get some work done on the computer, and then go to sleep. I have been laying around all day. I had like this braid. Clearly it's just, and there's a whatever. But anyways, so thank you guys for watching. I will definitely see you again in the next video. I have a shopping haul planned, I think for this week that I was gonna do, and there's a giveaway coming up, so you definitely want to stay tuned for the giveaway. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.